Hello everyone. The video you're about to watch here is another one that I do every winter where I do the updates on the projects that are going on inside the workshop. I actually already started editing this video and just wanted to give you kind of a little warning that, like they always do, it gets a little bit choppy in the clips, which I try usually to stay away from, but we just went through the holidays and work is so busy right now, and usually it's slowing down this time of year for me. Half the time I don't even know what day it is, so I just come out here and try to do updates as my dad makes it out to the workshop to do some things. Just giving you a warning, I'm putting it together the best I can. You'll just have to bear with me. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the workshop. Thought I better get out here and film. My dad's been out here for a few more days working on that new barbecue cabinet for up at the Backwoods cabin. So I thought we'd better take a look at it here before he gets it all finished. Behind here there's a couple shelves, and these are going to be doors, and I talked to him today. I think he's going to do wooden hinges on these. I don't know how they're going to open. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. See, he used birch to go around for an accent on that. And then here on the drawers I see he used some birch and some antlers for handles. He still has to do the doors down there. And up here on top now, he's going to lay some stuff in like he did on that one table that he has up at the cabin inside. And then I think he's going to liquid glass that. So I was talking to him a few days ago about maybe he's going to put some round little pieces of wood in here, and he might put in some of those polished rocks that I did. And I don't know, he said maybe some fishing lures. We'll have to just wait and see. We'll come back to this, I don't know, tomorrow or the next day and take a look at the progress. Well, I'm back out here in the workshop to take a look at what's going on. I can't remember if I was out here yesterday or the day before. I see my dad was out here and he's getting the wooden hinges ready. They're going to go on the barbecue cabinet. I talked to him a little bit earlier and he added onto these shelves here to put stuff in for this new kayak project that he's going to do. And he just got all that stuff, and here is the blueprint and the parts list over here for everything you need to make this kayak. Well, I've been out here in the workshop most of the day. It's Saturday today, and I wanted to show you guys my dad has finished the wooden hinges on these upper doors. Got a little handle he put on there. He still has to make the bottom doors, but I see he has already cut the parts for those wooden hinges. So we'll come back out in a couple days and take a look and see how far he gets. Hello everyone, it's Sunday night. Just came out here to fill up the wood stove, shut down the damper so it's nice and warm all night. Thought I'd better do a little update here. It's been probably a week since I've been out here a lot doing a project, but it's a project that I'm not putting on video. But my dad's been out here on some of the days when I was at work, and he's been still working on that barbecue cabinet. I'm not exactly sure where we were last time, but I think we had the hinges on the bottom door, if I remember right. And now he built the latch here. Pretty simple, works really good. Matches right in with the top part with the birch log. He's getting ready to put stuff in here and put that liquid glass and fill that all up. So I brought out a bag of polished rocks because he wants to put some of them in there, and once he gets everything figured out, and then I'm sure he'll be pouring this. I don't know if that's going to happen this week or not. All I do is come out here and see what happened when I get home from work, and do some update videos. Good morning, everybody. It's about 5:45 in the morning. Just come out here to put some more wood on the stove. It was about 85 degrees in here last night at about 10:15. It looks like it dropped down to about 60 overnight. I see we have another project going here, and I think this is going to be a coat rack, probably maybe back by the back door in the backwoods cabin. I'm not real sure, but he's been working on this for a couple days off and on. Looks like he made a sawhorse here for when he builds that kayak canoe type thing that's coming up. And it looks like he's putting some deer antler handles on this barbecue cabinet. See, he's got the one on right there, and the other one is sitting right there waiting to be put on. I will come back out here later and check the progress. Well, I'm just getting ready to take off to work, but I wanted to give a little update and show what he's been doing on this coat rack. He's used a bunch of bases from deer antlers as the actual coat hanger. It looks like he's got this all distressed now. I thought I'd better film it now because he's actually close to being done with it, and I don't know if he'll leave it here or if he'll actually take it home. I see he built another sawhorse for doing the kayak. And I see he got the second antler put on here for a handle on the barbecue cabinet. I'll see you guys out here next time. I just got home from work. Looks like my dad's been in here doing some varnishing today. It's really bringing out the color in that. It's amazing how much natural red is in that aromatic cedar piece right there that he used. Well, tomorrow is Saturday, and I'm sure he'll probably be back out here again. Alright, well, I'm back out in the workshop here just to do the final update on this particular video. I've been filming this now for, I don't know, quite a while. I mean, now the holidays are finished. It's been well over a month. And now I see my dad has switched from doing the barbecue cabinet, which is almost complete, to this canoe project that he's just about to start. He has all the template pieces now are laid out on this piece of Luan plywood here. And I suppose he'll start cutting these out. I know they're in about a week. Him and my mom are both leaving for, I don't know if it's a week or 10 days or whatever, and going somewhere in Mexico where it's warm. So I thought I'm going to end this video now, and then we'll pick it up again when he's doing this canoe. And I guess I really can't call this a canoe, it's a kayak or whatever it is. It's that's what he's making right there. But before I ended it, I wanted to show you guys he has started to do the, I don't know if it's liquid glass or what it is that he used, but he's getting all these poured. You can kind of see how everything is inlaid in there, and now he's got this part up here. He's been gluing the stuff down, and I imagine it's pretty dust free, that's why he has it covered. So that still has to be poured. I'll pick that up in another video. But it's almost complete. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I will see you guys on the next video.